Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY Monthly, I still think this is possibly the end of a big ABC correction, and if this is the end of an ABC correction, then over the coming weeks, months, and maybe even years, it's going to end up continuing the downtrend, probably eventually go all the way down and take out these lows, because that's what happens at the end of an A, B, and C correction, whether you're on the 1 month time frame or the 1 minute time frame or anything in between. So let's hop down to the weekly time frame and go back to the dollar index. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push down right here is most likely a 1. I think this right here is most likely an ABC of 2. I think that it definitely turned at the 38% fib level and that we are already going down for either a wave 3 or a wave C. Even if it does turn out to be a wave C, it's probably going to go down to at least one of these fib levels. If it's a wave 3, then it's probably going to go down to about the 161.8 and maybe even lower than that. So I do believe that we have a lot of downside potential on this, whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it is kind of funny how it broke out of this triangle and then it came all the way back up and retested the triangle, and now it looks like it is going down again. I was thinking this move down possibly could be a B and it could possibly go up again and then go down, but I think there's probably a better chance that it's already ended a correction and anything we see to the upside, especially on the sort of time frames, is just going to be nothing more than a correction to the downtrend, and I am definitely going to be looking for sorts in a downtrend for the continuation of what I think is either a wave 3 of C or a wave 3 of wave 3. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I still have this marked as a possible wave B because this is definitely higher highs, higher lows the whole way up. Looks like a wave A. This is definitely a downtrend right here. Could be a wave A or B. It very easily could make a B and a C, and then it very easily could go back up to make a proper ABC correction before it really does end up continuing the downtrend. And we do have that European Central News today, which is probably going to affect the EU. I don't know if it will really affect the dollar itself that much, but it definitely could cause this to end a trend for the wave A or B possibly. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely got lower lows, lower highs the whole way down. There's no reason to think this is over. I wouldn't even think about doing anything by going short the dollar, at least until I see a break of structure to the upside, which I definitely have not seen yet. So if I do see it go up, if I do see it make an impulsive move down, especially if it is 3 waves up, impulsive down, I will definitely continue to look for shorts because, like I said, this may not even be a wave B. It very easily could already be back into the downtrend, and I'll just keep on trading short the whole way down until I see evidence that it really is a wave B or I see the end of a trend on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.